This is our, this guys. Ito na yung namin. Andito na kami sa hotel namin. Nasa loob na kami. Ayan yung view. Cheers! Enjoy our life. Oh, cheers. Cheers. Dikit na may. Dikit. Oh. This one, spaghetti alla carbonara. Carbonara is Is that carbonara?
Because
Lasagna ay bolognese.
lasagna bolognese. Okay. For you, sorry.
The simple mix. Spaghetti.
What do you?
Yeah, the guy Fabio,
Yes.
he said that we're going to pay the 70 euro and the beer where we get the key.
But you don't have any key now.
We already have.
You had already.
Yeah.
But he said that we have to pay that 70 euro and the 4 euro tax
4 euro
something.
per person is tax per night.
Yeah, where we took the
You
key.
pay here.
Okay. That's the,
How many night you will stay?
Cheers! To our first day in Venice. Cheers! Oh.
It looks good.
It looks
That's
good.
why the spaghetti.
Ano yan? Masarap magluto. Lisa.
Yeah.
Delicioso.
Masarap.
This is a historical, Osteria.
Ano sabi?
Osteria is a historical restaurant that makes authentic Italian food. Yeah, we're in Italy.
Ano na lang kaya sila siya? Hindi, minsan tsamba-tsamba lang.
Hindi, pag bumisita ka sa tindahan ni pag bumisita ka, magdala ka ng specialty mo.
Specialty.
Delicioso. Delicioso.
Bellissimo.
Bellissimo. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Charmo.
If you happen to visit Venice,
This is the best
yeah,
restaurant you can visit.
you can try to eat the Osteria.
Osteria de la Lucia.
Kain tayo ng kain, hindi natin alam.
Okay, show.
Dessert.
Guys, dito na kami guys. Gulat ako sa iyo. Paano ba?
Buksan mo na ang
Ganun ba
ang
loob
kaharian.
nila? Ay, iba sila. Pataas yung nila. Isang ikot lang. Hello guys.
come here. Ay, come here. Come inside.
Ganda yung rating sa 4. Ilalak pa nyo? Ay, hindi na. Hello guys. Dito guys.
Turn on the light, please. I don't know.
Uy, mag-CR ako po.
Sige, CR ka lang.
Lagyan mo ng parking.
Idagan natin ang tiyan na mabigat.
Oh, hintayin mo ako, friendship. Hintayin mo ako. Oh, nawala ka na sa sid. Ayan, okay na. Para ka na. Hello, guys. Ilaw, guys.
Kasi madilim. Hello guys. Sana makabayo. Napagod ako. Ay, Princess, hindi ka bababa bukas. Aray ko. Hoy, mag-ingat kayo ha. Napandol ako. We are back. Hello guys.
Upo tayo, guys.
Alam ko na.
Ano?
Hindi ka na makahinga. Ang thyroid dyan. Magano ka siya? Ito yung gusto ni Kilos nga. Naglawahan. Nakawala ko dito dati. Naman si Doktor. Okay lang. Orange. Yellow. Ito kasi our update for today, we're going ito yung gamit ko. Ilang pala to? University of Venetia. Halika, princess. Siguro naghanap yung pili ng pagkahero, no? Ano? Yung sa atin banda, hindi Oh? Bilang ko talaga yun. Yeah, kaya ito yung mga magtakbuhan ba na yun? Hanggang yan sila. Shooting na yan sila eh. Oh.
Sobrang higpit na.
Yung mga ganun. Ay, simba.
Where's the taxi? Here.
Ayun. Ayun na yung sa Leonardo. Ayun. Charm. Leonardo da Vinci.
Yeah,
Mamaya ha?
dito tayo magpaano.
Asan ang mga pasahero?
Wait.
Wait! Ding, 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 ding. Wait! Na.
Paano ba yan?
Wait! Ding. Out. Out, princess. Out muna, out.
Ready?
Taxi!
Excited, Turi.
Wow.
Kaya ko yun. Wow! Wow! And we are... Ay, here. Here.
After, you wanna come back here?
Yes.
Okay. Is
Or
the last?
which is better that we can also see much more, even
Okay.
if we stop in other
We
places.
want to
Yes.
go to Basilica. What's
You
up?
wanna do? Okay. If you want, usually the tour is start here, come back here.
Ah, okay.
But this one is the last tour that I do, so if you want, we can do with the same price, a bigger tour,
Yes.
and I drop you near the where I stop the gondola. That you are 6-7 minutes to San Marco Square.
Ah,
Okay,
Okay.
that's good.
Then we can see a lot much more.
Yes.
better.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you please pay me now?
Ay, okay.
Okay.
Isa yung phone.
Ray Lorenzo.
You're in front of the game. In front. Yes. Nice, nice. Ganda. Yes.
Ipasa na mag-ano ako
Oo, maganda.
Pwede mo ha?
Oh, ganda ah. Pang beauty queen yung
Beauty
smile
queen.
niya.
Suluhan ako friendship kasi ano ko i-out mo.
Grows up, 6 hours go down.
but-
Now he started to grow up, but he started slow and after go faster.
When it's yung ano lang, video mo sarili mo.
Ay, there's
Those are
taxi.
big boats. Is that not with restaurant?
Ah, the public bus eh.
That's Vaporito, no? Vaporito?
Yes.
Ah.
Ito. Overtime.
I did some research.
You did some. It's
A
a,
little
bus.
bit.
It's a bus.
And it is Condora.
ATV is the bus transportation.
Yeah,
No?
oo.
Yeah? What's the difference from Vaporito and Alicuania?
Ali Laguna.
Ali
Ali
Laguna.
Laguna is that one that take you to the airport or the cruise station.
Okay.
Okay.
Airport. Airport. Yeah, of
The other
Marco.
one, the public bus, the Vaporito, take you around Venice.
That's where you can buy the ticket for a day or for...
Or in everywhere in Venice, tobacco store, or online.
You can, yeah. We've also checking online.
Ito na yung kanina galing ta ha?
On the right side, Academia Bridge.
Alright, side.
We've been
Is
there.
Yeah, we've been there.
Traviata, ano ba? Academia Bridge. Where the famous school. What is that? In the
Travis.
t-shirt. You see that on the t-shirt?
De Resosuta.
Università Forseca.
Galleria dell'Accademia.
No.
Forseca?
University of Ca' Foscari.
The other one.
Maybe that's a normal school. I don't know. Forseca.
When we were walking, we Forseca? Siguro. I don't know.
Oh, open na pala ta. Oh, parang malaki-laki na ba?
You see that on the t-shirts that they sell.
Okay.
Universita. Ganun lang nakalagay.
Universita.
Yeah.
That palace over there with the 6 flags, with the red pole, red and white.
Yeah.
Is the University of Ca' Foscari is one of the public university. Is one of the better university in Italy for languages and economy.
Okay. And they're famous on that. That's their specialty.
Specialty. Special pagkaon. Ako din isulab.
Parang pagkain Specialization.
Open sea. Open. Mga tawaan talaga si Benicia na yung nasuot.
Yung mga estudyante, no? Tinignan talaga ba?
Yung mga marites na ano
So, you own the boat?
I have the book of my father. Usually I work for my father.
Ah.
Actually, I work for other
For other people. Yeah.
Amay, you're very
like going to the gym.
Yeah. You exercise. Oo.
True.
A big-
You're working out in the
She
gym.
love
and you're also
muscles. That's
earning
why she
money
turned
anytime.
around.
How many kids you have?
I don't have.
You don't have kids.
Why?
Younger.
Younger.
You're still young.
Yes.
Yeah.
How young?
24.
Yeah, you're still young.
Oh, you
Enjoy being young.
Oh, you're enjoy.
enjoy being young.
Point.
Eh, sabi ko sa'yo, tomorrow will never
Sus,
again.
amo, hapit na malinimato ang anak niyo.
Oh, 24, my God.
Malapit na.
It's my son.
My son.
My son is 24. Yeah, my son. Oo. And he is already married and yeah.
Hanap ka anak din?
Oo, 24 na ha.
No, wala din mo makuha din.
Ha? Wala, oy. Oo.
Itong bata-bata pa.
Oh, may
During
pagkaminyo.
the Republic of Venice.
Oo.
Venice has more than 1,600 years. It's very old city.
Yeah.
And, the Venice in the past was a republic, was a conqueror.
Oh.
When it is very strong in the battleship.
Yes,
So
yes,
go
yes.
around all the world.
Yeah.
And when he sees something of art,
Yeah.
take to
Ah, he
Venice.
takes it from.
For this reason, are all decorated.
Okay. So you don't have art from the Philippines
No, too much distance.
so far.
So far.
We have also Venice in Philippines.
Yeah, we have
Small-
Venice
small
in the
Venice,
Philippines.
oo.
You can search in Google.
Shopping mall.
Yeah.
It's a shopping mall, and then in the
Surround-
middle, they put man-made
this.
water,
And
a
with
canal,
like this.
man-made canal, and then
They make
we
also
have like this also. Yeah, and then there
And
are
the
also
maneuver singing.
singers.
Oh, singer.
Yeah.
Yup.
If you want to visit Philippines, you can go there, and then you can also.
Also roll there.
Oh, kaya lang. Buongiorno,
My work in Italy.
bellissimo.
And then you ask for more pay.
Oh, may kanta na sila eh.
Kaya yung sa cellphone, yung
Italian.
ano ba ang tawag doon?
I only know belly chow chow
Yeah,
chow. Belly chow chow chow.
Tumawa siya.
the
Oh.
title?
What is that?
For the war.
World War, huh?
Yes.
Because
Ay,
I
ah.
saw
The
Yan mo
partisan
daw.
that were against the
the Democrat or I
no
don't know,
no
communist.
against the
Government.
fascism.
Racist?
Yes.
Yeah, I saw a movie, and then that's why I know the song. Belly chow chow chow.
Pronto?
Meron siyang ano,
Adesso
kausap mo.
davanti al traghetto.
Kausapin mo. Ano ba yun? May kausap ko
Metti,
siya.
metti. Dai che adesso scarico.
Chow chow chow.
Yun sila, nakamotor lang sila. Yung ating talaga amazing, di ba? May nag-drive, ah. Oo.
Special price naman kasi tayo.
Ah, sige, kasi
Sa- sa-
maraming balingtong na to eh. Parang matumba na tayo.
Belly chow chow chow.
Alaka, princess. Alaka.
Marunong ba kayo lumangoy?
Yung bag ko, hindi.
Uy, bakit tumagilid dito?
Ang bigat mo kasi bawal dyan, ha?